you'll need is some gummy bears of the same color, some corn flour, some icing sugar, and some olive oil. Ask an adult to microwave your gummies for about 30 seconds. Thanks, adult. Gummy bears, oh yes, gummy bears. I'm trying so hard to do jazz hands right now. Stir well until smooth. Oh, this is thick. Gummy bear, gummy bear. Make sure you have a grown-up around. This can get really hot. This is looking pretty smooth. Time for the next step. Mix together the icing sugar and the corn flour. Add half the mixture into a clean bowl. Now the fun bit. Add the gummy bear mixture. Oh, that looks so cool. Now give it a stir. This is a workout. When it's all mixed in, add in the rest of the corn flour and icing sugar. Let's get messy. Oh my god. Get off of me. I'm gonna add a bit of olive oil to make it even slimier. It smells so good. I bet it tastes really good as well. Add a bit more corn flour if it gets too sticky. Looking good. And the best part is, after all this work, you've got a snack. Who said playing with your food wasn't cool? Stick around, because I've got an even slimier hack coming up.